If you want more rotisserie revenue during Christmas, you should probably watch this video.
Pork roulade with roasted vegetables and pomme de chasse.
I chose for mushroom stuffing with chestnuts and parmesan. You can always choose to marinate the pork, but because it's Christmas, we're going for the roulade. Cut the pork fillet with more or less 2 cm thickness. To bind the pork, you can use a kitchen twine. I prefer the tube. To complete our dish, we need some sides.
Roasted parsnip with sweet potato, shallot and carrots.
Let this rest for 10 to 15 minutes. This way the juices can settle and your product will be much more tender. Thanks for watching this video. Don't hesitate to contact me for any Fri-Jado support.